Hello everyone, welcome back to Curious Kudi, and I know I am recording this video after a while, and it is just because now I am going to Uttarakhand for my holidays. And before I go directly into the Uttarakhand thing, because I am recording this video on 25th of December, so I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas, and those who are planning for holidays, stay safe and just follow the COVID protocols and guidelines. So right now I am at Mumbai airport, and this morning it's so crowded. Seems like everyone is traveling to Uttarakhand or Delhi or Manali, and I started this journey very early in the morning. I left home at 4:30 AM, which is too early, but then we always want to keep some buffer to reach airport, because COVID guidelines के रहते हुए बहुत सारा टाइम लग जाता है. For those who want to travel to Uttarakhand, I have some information for you. तो उत्तराखंड जाने के लिए first you need to get your e-pass, and e-pass आपको एक वेबसाइट है, वहाँ से मिल जाएगा. सो जनरली दे आस्क फॉर सम क्रिटिकल इन्फॉर्मेशन, सम पर्सनल इन्फॉर्मेशन, जैसे कि आप कहाँ रहते हो और आप कहाँ से कहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, एंड वाई आर यू कमिंग टू उत्तराखंड, और आर यू फुली वैक्सीनेटेड और नॉट, आर यू कैरिंग योर RT-PCR or not. So these kind of questions they'll ask, and they'll ask how are you, what is your mode of transport, are you coming by airline or are you coming by train, road, taxi, cab sort of things. So वो e-pass आपको निकालना बहुत ज़रूरी है, just to if you are planning to travel to Uttarakhand. So I'm not going Uttarakhand directly. I am going Delhi first, because I want to visit my mom. So I'll stay there for 2 days, and then on Monday I'll be going to Uttarakhand. So the plan is to go to Haridwar and Rishikesh. I don't want to add too much places to visit in this trip, because मैं थोड़ा सा इसको leisure रखना चाहती थी, थोड़ा light रखना चाहती थी, नहीं तो उतना ही stress add हो जाता है. So I am going on my holidays, and if you are also going on your holidays, all the best, and hopefully when you come back you will find yourself more refreshed. December 6 AM in the morning, and it is 5 degrees outside. It's literally cold, so we have worn layers and layers, but train के अंदर इतना ठंड नहीं लग रही है. By the way, I am traveling to Haridwar, and I am traveling with Yoga Express. So हम ऐप में इसको ट्रैक कर रहे थे. It was coming 10 minutes delayed, but we were surprised when it came on platform, because it was literally before time. So काफ़ी देर खड़ी भी रही, because it has to cover its own time. But then and it is going to be 5.5 hours journey, so by 11:30 we should be reaching Haridwar if it remains on time. And the only thing, because we have booked this first AC and we got cabin, but when we entered here there's a lot more कूड़ा inside. So seems like the passengers who were traveling before us, उन्होंने काफ़ी कचरा किया था. So I would request all my passengers and all the passengers and all my subscribers कि whenever you travel through trains or by any means, by any public transport, please do care of things, and इस तरह से कचरा नहीं फैलाया करो, because हमें बाकी जो नेक्स्ट पैसेंजर्स हैं उन लोग के लिए चीज़ें क्लीन रखनी ज़रूरी होती हैं. सो जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ थिंग्स. So far so good. Let's see how Haridwar goes. So we are finally arrived at Haridwar railway station, and यहाँ पे क्योंकि RT-PCR mandatory है, but जो स्टेशन के बाहर एग्जिट लेने से पहले RT-PCR टेस्ट हो रहा है, and there are hundreds of people in queue. Not even in queue, they are not even maintaining the social distancing, and RT-PCR is getting done at 2 booths. So one में तो कोई है नहीं, and second में one person is doing RT-PCR test. लेकिन इतना crowd है that I don't know whom to blame if this infection rising up in the coming days. So so if you are traveling to Haridwar, to carry your RT-PCR to avoid such kind of scenarios. And one more instance that happened with us is while I was shooting this video just to show and asking you people to carry your RT pieces, I was showing the crowd and I was stopped by a local. I don't know his identity, he was not even carrying any identity card, but he stopped me saying that madam यहाँ पे ये सब allow नहीं है, just because I was bringing all the truths onto this camera. So this is a room tour where I'm staying. So we have basic bathroom facilities, and then this is how our room looks like. We have AC. I don't think I'm going to use it, but clean and comfortable stay with basic amenities. And this is a heater. I like it a lot because यहाँ पे इतनी सर्दी होती है that I think I'm going to use this one. And of course television, I don't know if I'll be getting time, but this room is very close to station, just 70 meters away. And what I like about this room is, I mean, clean है, basic amenities हैं, so that makes a good stay. होटल हम लोग आ चुके हैं मनसा देवी और चंडी देवी दर्शन के लिए. सो हरिद्वार रेलवे स्टेशन से वी टुक रिक्शा फॉर ₹40 and we just came to Mansa Devi temple. Then on the ticket book counter there's a combination pass to visit Mansa Devi and Chandi Devi both. So it was around 300 something. So we took that package and now I've come to Mansa Devi through a rope car. And rope car was just 3 minutes ride. It's not too long. And when you come to Mansa Devi premises, this is all commercialized, and you will find lot of prasad wale and even some like goodies and all you can buy from here, and if you want to take it for your family and all. And there's a provision of eating inside as well. So there are restaurants and there are eateries where you can have your food, your lunch or whatever. Now I'm going to Mansa Devi temple, and then after that we'll go to Chandi Devi. So it was a long tiring day because we traveled early in the morning and then we got the antigen test done because to enter in Uttarakhand you need to have negative COVID report. So वो कराया and then we check into a hotel, we got freshen up and then we went to Mansa Devi temple. And then after Mansa Devi we went to Har Ki Pauri for evening aarti and then वहाँ से लौटते it got bit late in the evening. So right now I'm just planning to call it for a day, but before I end this vlog there's one thing I want to share with you. My experience with Mansa Devi now. I'm not sure if you all have already visited this place. So in the Mansa Devi temple complex, there are other temples as well, like और भी देवी देवताओं के वहाँ पे मंदिर होते हैं. सो जैसे हनुमान जी का मंदिर या वैष्णो देवी माता का मंदिर या फिर गणपति जी का मंदिर या और भी बहुत सारे देवी देवताओं के मंदिर उस कॉम्प्लेक्स में है. एंड ईच ऑफ दिस स्मॉल टेम्पल्स इज हैविंग वन पंडित एलोकेटेड. सो होता क्या है, नाउ आई अंडरस्टैंड कि वो जो क्यू होती है, जो क्राउड होता है, उसको बहुत जल्दी मूव करना होता है सो दैट कहीं पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा भीड़ इकट्ठी ना हो जाए. बट वॉट आई नोटिस टुडे ना कि वेन एवर यू गो टू दिस टेम्पल्स सो पंडित विल डू मंत्र एंड ऑल ऑन टू यू एंड दे विल आस्क यू टू पुट सम मनी टू दोज टेम्पल्स. नाउ दे आर many temples and each of these pandit is asking you to put money as a dakshina to each of these temples, which I somewhere felt is not right because in a way you are asking everyone to move only if you have given some money, because ना ऐसे वहाँ पे ऐसी फीलिंग आती है कि इतना मंत्र किया है, ये टीका लगाया है, सो गिव मनी देन गो. सो दोज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आई पर्सनली डिड नॉट लाइक. आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट प्लीज़ provide your comments so that I also know what you think about it. But personally I did not get time to worship at all, not even for a small prayer, because every time it is like you go to those temples and pandit is asking you to put some money there. So we got 2 passes today. So अगर आप मनसा देवी ट्रैवल करते हो तो आपको ना एक कॉम्बो प्लान मिलता है जिसमें यू कैन कवर बोथ मनसा देवी एंड चंडी देवी एंड दिस टिकट रिमेन्स वैलिड फॉर 2 days. सो दैट मीन्स यू कैन कवर और यू कैन revisit these temples for 2 days. So but today I just covered Mansa Devi, but I'm not planning to cover Chandi because of today's experience. But definitely please do share your feedback if you have also experienced same thing in Haridwar or in somewhere else. Right now I'm just trying to call it a day because I'm too tired and it's already late. I already had my dinner. So yeah, with this we'll come to end of this video. Thank you everyone for watching, and tomorrow I'm planning to go Rishikesh, so stay tuned.